Welcome back to our course on PSE 15. In this section I'm going to look at one example of sharing images by way of what might loosely be called publication. On this occasion we're going to share images using Facebook. But this particular facility has been extended considerably over recent versions of PSE. In this section we're going to look at the basics. I'm going to choose a few of the images in my catalogue. I'm going to choose that one, the iris, and that one, and I'm going to share them using Facebook. So click on Share Facebook. So the first thing to do is to log into Facebook in the usual way. Note that I'm using a dummy account. Click on Login. Notice the very important message there. Elements is now authorized to publish to your Facebook account. So from this point onwards, when I want to publish to Facebook, PSE is going to use the credentials that I've just entered again. And there we are. I can now set up my sharing options, share on my timeline. I can add to an album. I can either create an album or add to one of my existing albums. On this occasion I'm going to add an album. I'm going to sort of pretend that these were taken on a recent vacation. So let me click on Create Album. And then in terms of sharing, I'm going to say that this is just for my Facebook friends. Above there I have settings. I can choose standard quality or high quality. I'm going to stick with standard quality. And also, if I've added people tags from the organizer, which I'm going to talk about towards the end of the course, checkbox here enables me to say that I want to upload those people tags from the organizer to Facebook. So having done that, I click on Share. The files are uploaded. And as you can see, the uploaded files have been successfully published to my Facebook account. Click on Done. It's as straightforward as that. Although I've concentrated in this section on sharing using Facebook, the approach with several other social media services is pretty similar. And if, for example, you use YouTube or you use Twitter or Flickr, I suggest that you go through the process of sharing using those services as well. There's quite a lot of help in the organizer PDF on this. And even if you're primarily interested in Facebook, it's well worth going through this help. It'll take you through the procedure that we've just been through, but it will also tell you a little bit more about one or two aspects that I mentioned and said I'd come back to later, such as Facebook friends and so on. I suggest that whichever services you use, you spend some time now just going through and seeing how you can share images, for example, via Twitter, or videos, for example, via YouTube. That's the end of this section. I'll see you in the next one.